Welcome back, everyone. Right here on the screen you can already see the results. We have been running the XProfit Indicator strategy on Quotex, and it is delivering back-to-back wins. And we are absolutely aiming for even higher profits today. Now watch this. The XProfit Indicator just fired off an alert straight inside MetaTrader. That is the indicator doing all the heavy lifting for you, telling you exactly when and where to move. And if you have not set this up yet, check the description below. The full installation guide is right there waiting for you. Euro GBP by Signal is live. Let's navigate straight over to the Quotex app and get this trade open. 1 minute expiry $50 in, and we are going up. That Euro GBP trade is still running clean, and the results on the right side are looking beautiful. Previous wins stacking up exactly as expected. The strategy is working perfectly, and we are staying locked in. And there it is. XProfit just fired a Euro GBP sell alert in MetaTrader. Now look at the chart. The trend is right there in balance, and that sell signal is telling us exactly where price wants to go. We are heading down on Euro GBP, 1 minute, $50 in. Let's get it. That Euro GBP trade came through. Another one locked in at plus 93.50. Now XProfit is switching gears. We've got a CAD JPY sell alert coming in. The signal is clear, the trend is pointing down, so we're going down on CAD JPY right now. 1 minute, $50. Let's see what it does. And that CAD JPY sell trade paid off, winning trade just like that. This strategy is just too consistent, I love it. Now the indicator is flipping, we've got a CAD JPY by Signal. The market is turning, so we are switching direction, and going up on CAD JPY this time. XProfit is firing a USD JPY by alert. We already have trades open, and now we are adding to the momentum. Euro to Japanese yen has also given us a buy signal, so we are jumping in on that one too. Both going up, 1 minute each, $50 a pop. The indicator is staying active, and we are staying with it. Look at the right panel. USD JPY and Euro JPY are both live and running simultaneously. Multiple trades open at the same time, all guided by XProfit signals. This is exactly how you stack opportunities when the market is moving. CAD JPY just closed out beautifully. That one hit and paid out plus $87. Clean win. Now we are watching Euro JPY and USD JPY finish up their minute. Alright, results are in. Euro JPY came back at 0. That one did not close in our favor this time, and that is completely fine. That is part of trading. But USD JPY? That one closed green at plus 87.50. So overall, we are still pushing that account balance higher. And that wraps up this trading session. 25 trades logged on January 9th, account sitting at 79.8190. The XProfit indicator delivered signal after signal across Euro GBP, USD JPY, CAD JPY, and Euro JPY, and the results speak for themselves. And we have CAD JPY by alert here. Make sure you watch the full video. Follow us for more free trading strategies on Quotex and other brokers, and go try the XProfit indicator for yourself. The link is in the description below.